Well, hello. Today we're going to build on our previous example, and we're going to take a look at how we can extract the iPhone model from this text. So I'm going to expand it out so we can see what we're working with. Okay, let's look at the first row. iPhone space 5S space plus $45, blah, blah, blah. What we want is the model number. So I'm going to create a new column called model. Then I'm going to use a formula called mid to extract some text from that model. So the way the formula works is like this. Mid is, we're going to have, the first argument is the text we're going to extract from. And then the second argument is the start number. So in this case, the start number is the number within that cell that we want to start pulling stuff from. So we're going to count. So coming over here, iPhone, that has 5 letters, 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The seventh space, or the seventh character is a space. The 8th character is where the 5 starts. So we're going to say the start number will be 8, because again, that was the 8th character in this string inside of the cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Space is 7. 8 is where it starts. 8 is our start number. And then the number of characters we want to return. The model number is 5S, so we want 5 and S, so that's characters 8 and 9. We want 2, we want 2 characters. And now we'll close that off, and we have the model numbers. At least for this row, it worked. Unfortunately, it didn't work for all the rows. If we look down here, we can see that the pattern is slightly different. We have new space iPhone 6. So our hard coding in the number 8 as our start number, put this at the middle of iPhone, not what we want. So we're going to need to use another formula so that we can dynamically find where the model number starts. And we'll get into that in the next lesson. But for now, we're just using the mid function, which is a way of extracting text from a cell. And the 3 arguments are the text you're going to extract from, the start number, where you'll start pulling stuff from, and then the number of characters you're going to remove. And then in our next lesson, we'll explain how to make this dynamic so that we don't have situations like this, where we've hard-coded the number and the pattern is different. So the pattern will often be different with text. You can't control what you get, but that'll be next.